Simple logarithm. I got square root of 2 times u minus 3, but the answer is 3 over 2 times u minus 3. Okay, let's have a look. Right here, we are given that u is equal to log base 5 of x, and the goal is to figure out this log expression in terms of u. So first thing first, when we are working with logs, change the square root to the power form, which is the 1/2 power. So this right here is the same as log base 5 of x times x to the 1/2 power, and then here we have the 125. Then we see that we have the same base here, so we can just add the exponents. And this right here is technically the first power. So right here, we will get log base 5 of x. 1 plus 1/2, we get 3/2, and then over 125. Now next though, we see that we have log of a top divided by a bottom. So when we have a division on the inside, we can change that into a subtraction of 2 logs. This right here is the same as log base 5 of x to the 3/2 power, but here we have to minus log base 5 of 125. To continue, notice that we have x to a power on the inside of the logarithm. Right here, we can bring the power to the front. In the meantime, log base 5 of 125, it's actually just a nice number. To figure that out, we have to realize that 125 is the same as 5 to the 3rd power. So what we can get is the following. Let me just go like this. Here we will have 3 over 2 times log base 5 of x. And then minus, this is log base 5 of 5 to the 3rd power. Here, log base 5 of x is given as u, so that's 3 over 2 times u. And then for this one right here, well, you can just cancel the log base 5 and then the 5. That's why I wanted to write it like this. You can also think about it as bring the 3 to the front, and then log base 5 of 5 is just 1. Either way. So it's just a minus 3 right here. And this is it. Right? That's it. That's the answer. So you definitely have to remember the log properties, like how you can go from here to here, and then how to evaluate logarithms without a calculator. And perhaps the easiest way is to do something like this. For more logarithm tutorials, you can check out other videos for it. And hopefully this right here is helpful. That's it.